we've set up our rigging, our Speedline. We're rigging from above here. You'll notice up above me, I've got the yellow rope, which is my Speedline. The orange rope is my lowering line. That's run up through the rigging block that's attached to the main trunk, just below the Speedline. Now, the orange line is the lowering line and going to double as the control line or the haulback line. We've rigged off this piece of wood. We've tied off this piece of wood, this limb. And because of the forces that are involved here, we're already putting a lot of tension on the system as they're tensioning up the Speedline. We don't want to cut heavy limbs and drop them into the Speedline. This will put a lot of undue force onto the system. So that's why we're using the lowering line as a control line. So when I come and actually cut the piece, the lowering line is actually going to control, that's going to catch the piece. And then we'll use it to control the descent down the Speedline. Now, because I don't want the tip of this limb to drop down, I've used a balancer here. We've tied off this blue line at the butt end and out towards the tip. And then we've got a prusik cord here. This way I can help to balance the limb so that it'll run down fairly parallel to the Speedline. As part of our traveler system that's going to run down the Speedline, we've got a rigging block attached with some rings and some screw links here. This gives us a number of attachment points, and we'll keep it so the whole system will stay plumb on the underside of the Speedline. So at this point now, I'm going to be ready to drop down below here, and I'm going to make a small face notch and then slowly make a back cut, and we're going to allow this limb to try to slowly swing it down into the system. All right, Scott, you want to take up a little bit of tension?
By working together with clear, concise communication, the ground workers can learn to land pieces gently and with a great deal of control.